If you have been wondering what is actually inside the MyDFIR Forge and whether or not it is the answer for you, then this video is going to show you exactly what is inside, what a typical week looks like, and who this is built for. I'm also going to break down the pricing at the end so you can decide for yourself whether it makes sense or not. Now, the MyDFIR Forge is a paid community that I built for aspiring SOC analysts who are ready to start investigating real alerts and getting feedback on their work. The whole goal here is to give you structured learning, real hands-on practice, and feedback in one place so you're not learning in isolation. So let me walk you through what is exactly inside. When you log into the Forge, there are a few main areas that you're going to be spending most of your time in. The first is the community section. This right here is where members hang out, ask questions, share what they are working on, and help each other troubleshoot. So if you do get stuck on something, you are not stuck on your own. You can post your problems here and other members or myself will jump in and help. This is also where you will see members posting wins like passing a certification or landing an interview. Next is the classroom section. This is where the structured learning happens, and there are two big pieces here that I want to highlight. The first is the 90-day SOC Accelerator program. So for those that aren't aware, this is the MyDFIR SOC Analyst course just restructured to fit the 90-day format. Each day, you get a new video unlocked and a question to answer alongside it. The question is there to hold you accountable, but if you do happen to miss a day, don't worry, the videos still unlock on schedule. The second big piece in the classroom is the DFIR course. This covers Windows, Linux, network, cloud, and memory forensics. So if you finish the 90-day SOC Accelerator program and you want to keep going, the DFIR course is going to be your ramp up. It is the natural next step for analysts who want to start moving towards incident response and forensics work. Now, the part that members get the most value from is actually the SOC simulator. This right here is where you triage real alerts in a simulated MSSP environment that I created. You have access to both Microsoft Sentinel and Splunk, which means that you're getting exposure to two of the most common SIMs that you're going to see in the field. You investigate the alert, you write a report, and then you submit it. I will personally review your work and so will the community. That right there is huge because when you are starting out, you do not just need to do the work, you need someone telling you what you're doing well and what you're doing wrong. That is how you actually improve. And here's something that just happened recently. Our simulated client environment actually got hit with ransomware. This was not planned, this was not a scripted scenario, it was a real attack against the environment. So members got to go in and investigate it via XDR, just like they would in an actual SOC. That right there is the kind of experience that you cannot get from a tutorial or a certification. You are working a live incident with the rest of the community, and you walk away knowing what ransomware looks like in real telemetry, not just in slides. In fact, after tackling a real alert, one of our members said that self-driven investigation with zero guidance hits different. And he's right. Now, you might be wondering, does this actually work? And the answer to that is yes. Quick example is Paul, who came in a few months ago, won his first CTF inside the MyDFIR Forge, crushed his interview assessment, and ended up landing a role at CrowdStrike, which by the way is one of the largest cybersecurity vendors out there. That is the kind of progression that we are building people towards. Alongside the simulator, we also have walkthroughs and CTFs. The walkthroughs are recorded investigations where I show you exactly how I would approach an alert. So you can watch how a methodology actually plays out. A CTF runs monthly, and the first place winner has to give a presentation walking through how they solved it. That right there builds up two skills. One is technical, and the second is communication. Both of those are going to show up in interviews. And then we have our weekly meetings. This is where members hop on a call together and we just simply hang out. We walk through alerts, we answer questions, and we just talk shop. It is a low pressure environment where you can ask anything and hopefully get a real answer. So you are not learning in isolation. So what does a typical week look like inside the Forge? Well, you are going to log in and answer your daily accountability question for the SOC Accelerator. This is going to help keep you moving forward through the curriculum. Then on the side, you are tackling a project or a challenge depending on where you're at. And if you are up to it, you can head into the SOC simulator, pick up an alert, triage it, and write a report. Then you can submit it for feedback. That right there is the rhythm. We have daily accountability, ongoing projects, and real alert investigations, along with CTFs. Over the course of a week, you are building the exact muscle that hiring managers are looking for. Now, who is this for? I would recommend the Forge if you have already done some self-studying. Maybe you got your CompTIA Security Plus. Maybe you have done a Try Hack Me SOC path, or a couple of Hack the Box or Cyber Defender labs, and you're now starting to realize that, hey, the next step is not another tutorial. You need repetition, you need feedback, and you need to investigate alerts the way an actual analyst would. That right there is who this is built for. It is also a strong fit if you are switching careers and you need a clear path forward instead of 100 different browser tabs and no idea what to do next. Now, who is this not for? I wouldn't recommend the Forge if you are completely brand new to IT and have never touched a command line. You are going to want to build some foundations first, and I do have some videos on this channel that can help you get started. I would also not recommend it if you are looking for someone to hand you a job. The Forge gives you practice and the feedback, but you still have to put in the work. If you're not willing to put in the time, no community is going to fix that. So let's talk about the important piece, which is pricing. Now, the Forge is extremely expensive. It is $99 a month or $999 a year. The monthly option is a good idea if you want to try out the Forge, see how you like it, and then decide from there. Just keep in mind that the 90-day SOC Accelerator program does drip daily. So going the monthly route means that you would need about 3 months or roughly $300 to complete the program at that pace. Whereas the annual route is a better deal if you are committed. You unlock everything immediately on day 1, including the MyDFIR course, and you also save money over going monthly. That said, let me lay out everything you are actually getting access to, regardless of monthly or annual. Inside the MyDFIR Forge, you are going to have the 90-day SOC Accelerator program, which again is the MyDFIR SOC Analyst course reconstructed with daily accountability built in. You have the MyDFIR course, which covers Windows, Linux, network, cloud, and memory forensics. This one is exclusive to the Forge for now. And if you want to know what's inside the MyDFIR course, I'll leave a link down below. Then you have the SOC Simulator, with both access to Microsoft Sentinel and Splunk for real alert investigations, including feedback from me and the community. You have weekly Hangout calls, where we hop on a call together, walk through alerts, and answer questions. You have monthly CTF events, so you are constantly being tested. You have job readiness assistance, which includes portfolio reviews and resume reviews, and you get assistance on whatever you're working on. Oh, and one thing that I wanted to mention, the Forge is something that I'm actively building. There is a lot more coming behind the scenes. There's new labs, new content, new features. So when you join, you are not just getting what is already in there today, you are getting everything else that gets added going forward. And I do check in every single day. You can actually see my activity streak inside School, which is the platform that the Forge runs on. So if you need structure, feedback, and real investigation practice to actually move forward, then the Forge could be your next step. I would highly recommend going through the link in the description, take a look at it, and decide for yourself. If it is not right for you right now, that is completely okay. There are plenty of free resources out there and videos on this channel that can help you build the foundations first. And that is it for the video, and I hope that you found that informative. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe if you want to. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.